Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Mini Cooper Countryman headlight. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver set and the correct replacement headlight bulb. Next, make sure your vehicle is parked securely on a flat, stable surface. For your safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery before starting any electrical work. This prevents accidental shorts and ensures a safe working environment. Now let's access the headlight. You'll need to remove the wheel arch liner, which typically involves a few screws or plastic clips, to expose the headlight assembly. Once visible, locate the electrical connector attached to the back of the headlight bulb and carefully unclip it. Finally, identify and remove any retaining clips, springs, or screws that secure the bulb within its housing. Take your time with these steps to avoid damage. With the old bulb exposed, gently pull it straight out from its socket. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new headlight bulb firmly into the housing, ensuring it is properly seated and aligned. Once the new bulb is in place, reconnect the electrical connector, making sure it clicks securely into position. To finish up, reattach any retaining clips or screws you removed earlier, then carefully reinstall the wheel arch liner. Once everything is secure, reconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. Before closing everything completely, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This ensures your Mini Cooper Countryman is ready for the road with bright, functional headlights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.